I think the main difference between us and local hairdressing businesses is the level of commitment we put into training. For us, without vocational training, we wouldn't have a business, and we wouldn't have been 10 years down the line. I don't think we would have grown at the rate that we have grown without the apprentices, without the training. There's nothing nicer than seeing a timid 16-year-old come into the business and grow their personality, their confidence, their self-esteem, and all this has come from vocational training.
We have a fantastic working relationship with Spirit. They recruit really good apprentices that are not just a fit to their own business, but somebody that will be committed to the training programme. They're really, really receptive to any additional activities that their learners can get involved in and actively encourage them to do so.
And over the last 2 years, with MVQs in hairdressing, admin, carver, management, team leading, I've got figures, and it's added £400,000 to the business over the last 2 years.